In this video, I will tell you about NFTs in 2023 and specifically the Sovereign NFT project. First, a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video, but before we start, I do want to say that any links you will need for this Sovereign NFT project will be down in the description, so definitely check them out. Now let's get right into it. So in this video, we'll discover and we'll talk about the Sovereign NFT project. A new amazing NFT project. It has amazing art, amazing utilities, and it really brings value. So let's get right into it. Here you can see their website. Again, all the links will be down in the description. You can find a quick menu where you can see their art, utilities, a roadmap, frequently asked questions, the white paper, and how to mint the NFTs and stake them. And we will go over all of this. So let's get right into it. So Sovereign is a chess-inspired NFT collection, but it's way more than that. It actually brings you real utility. They have their own token, the SQRE token, SQRE. But basically what they have is they have two different types of NFTs. They have pawns, if you know chess, you know that's chess related, and they have sovereigns, which are basically all the other pieces. So kings, queens, rooks, knights, and bishops. And each NFT, and they look actually beautiful, we'll take a look at that, you can already see the pawn right here, is individually rendered, ensuring that shadows, lighting, and impeccable details are retained, and you can definitely see that. As you can see, this is the pawn NFT, which actually, if you stake that, which they call pawning, you can earn 10 SQRE tokens per day. And then what you can do is you have the pawn NFT, you can actually upgrade it for 1,000 SQRE tokens, and then you can get a Sovereign NFT. And look at these NFTs. You can also see them better right here. They absolutely look amazing, beautifully rendered, and beautiful art. But if you upgrade your pawn NFT, you can actually get one of these pieces. So either a king, queen, bishop, knight, or rook, and you can actually earn, if you stake them, between 25 and 35 SQRE tokens per day. So now I briefly talked about that it has a lot of value and it brings utilities. So actually let's talk about some of the utilities that the Sovereign NFTs and the project in general has. So first of all, they have their own NFT game called Rumble, where actually 5% of the Rumble revenue will be paid out to Sovereign holders every single month. Apart from that, what we actually talked about, you can actually earn 10 of their tokens, or between 25 and 35 tokens if you pawn your NFTs. You can also upgrade your pawns with 1,000 SQRE tokens to get a king, queen, rook, knight, or bishop NFT. But they also have their own markets where you can actually use the SQRE tokens to purchase blue chip NFTs, whitelist spots, access to NFT tools and event passes, and way more. There's also exclusive merge and 3D printed IRL chessboards to long-term holders, which I think is amazing and it really fits into the genre they're going after. And there's actually some real chess utilities as well, so that you can, for example, win app and club memberships, event tickets, and much more, and perhaps even a match with one of the icons of chess. Apart from that, they also have a huge and vibrant community as utility. There are events that the Sovereign NFT will be the access pass to, and holders can collect a whole board of 32 pieces in a single skin to win jackpot prizes. And lastly, but definitely not least, Sovereign's next project, code RED, can only be minted using SQRE, which you can earn by staking again your pieces or your pawns. Now on their website you can also beautifully see their roadmap, so I would definitely recommend you to check out the link in the description. Here you can see, for example, that a mint and reveal is coming, pawning or staking is coming soon, an upgrade to sovereigns will be introduced soon as well, and apart from that, way more, such as the sovereigns market. But definitely go check that out on their website. Now something that is often overlooked with NFT projects and NFT collections is the team behind the project, which actually is one of the most important things. And with the Sovereign, an amazing thing is that the team behind the Sovereign and behind everything that is being built on it is actually fully documented. As you can see, you can find them on Twitter or other social media. But apart from that, they're actually ambitious and they know a lot about the NFT industry. So first of all, the team is known, but apart from that, there's a great team behind the Sovereign as well. And I would definitely recommend you to check them out on their website, but also on Twitter as well. Now you can also follow Sovereign on Twitter at the Sovereign NFT, but again, all the links will be down in the description as well. You can see that they already have almost 25,000 followers, and I would definitely recommend you to check them out. Here you can also find their link tree for all of the links you will need for Sovereign, but here you will stay up to date on any developments on the Sovereign, and basically everything you need to know. And you can also see some exclusive NFTs like right here, so definitely check that out. So for now, this was actually the Sovereign NFT project. We talked about the art, we talked about some of the value and the utilities that the NFT project brings. We talked about the roadmap, the team, and I showed you some of their socials, so definitely check them out. Once more, all the links will be down in the description. For now, though, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.